Hi, welcome to my channel. This is tutorial number 2. Here we will look at the two numbers when the difference is 2. So x and y, same thing. When the difference is 2, x being the bigger number, so it could be 3 and 1, 7 and 5, so forth. Then you will have at least 2 black squares in this row A, and the number of black squares in row B is always 2 less than the row A. Okay, so if you have 2, let's say 2 of the squares here are black, then you will have none here. If all 3 are black, then you will have 1. Right? So that also means in row B, the most number of black squares you can have is 1. Okay. That's because, let's say you have 2 black squares here in row B, then in row A you need to have 2 more. So that means you need to have 4 black squares here, which is not possible. Okay, so it's the same thing, so let me just move on. And I will explain to you why that is. So these are just samples for the differences too. So let's look at 3 and 1 here. Let's just say when we're looking at number, and I'm gonna look at these 2 rows here, this row, the middle one, and the bottom one. Okay, and let's say there's a black square here, one of them. I'll just put it there. Let's say this is a black square. Okay. Then this is 1, and if you look at the 3 by 3, if you have 1 here, that means there will be 2 black squares on the top. Okay, I just put it there because we wouldn't know exactly which 2 squares will be black. Okay, so if you have 1 here, then you have 2 up there. Now, how about if you don't have any black squares here in this area? You don't have any. Right? Then that means these 3 have to be black. Right? That's pretty obvious. So the same thing applies to all of these. You could try for yourself. And that is the reason why you need to have at least 2 here. Again, just like before, if the bottom number is bigger, 4 and a 2, then you will have, it's just the opposite, where this row, you will have at least 2 black, and here is always 2 less than here, right? The same thing, if it's 7 and a 5, this becomes row A, this becomes row B, and here 3 and 1, row A, and row B. So this is what happens when the difference is 2. So in next video, I'm going to show you a sample of how that applies to an actual puzzle. So please comment below, send me any questions, and stay tuned. Thank you.